Have rats in your house? Here's how to set the Victor Wooden Snap Trap. Make sure to wear gloves when handling traps to prevent your scent from getting on them. The first step is to remove the staple to release the arm bar. Simply get yourself a pair of pliers to remove the staple. This will release the arm bar. The next step is to bait the traps. My two favorite baits are crunchy peanut butter and dried apricots. When applying the bait to the trap, make sure to use a Q-tip or a plastic knife. To set the trap, pull back on the kill bar and hold it down with your left thumb. Then take the arm bar and insert it into the bent tab. Slowly release the kill bar with your left thumb to secure the arm bar in place. Now that the trap is set, it's time to place it into position. Always pick up the trap from the back corners when moving it from one location to the next. When placing the trap into position, always set the trap perpendicular to the wall with the kill bar snapping down towards the wall. This will allow you to catch rats coming from either direction and prevents you from accidentally stepping on it and hurting yourself. Learning how to set traps is only one part of getting rid of a rat infestation. To learn how to get rid of a rat infestation, visit pestninja.com for my complete step-by-step process to eliminate rats and mice in your home.